Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Beside me today is a 2013 Stingray 234 LR. While MarineMax is known for their new inventory, I've got a nice used piece for you today. So hop on board and let me show you around. Anybody that knows me knows that I'm a Mercury fanatic. However, I'll give it to Yamaha. The 150 4-stroke is one of the most reliable engines ever made. It's getting hot out, feels nice to get out of the sun. Got a nice big bimini top, keep those rays off you in the Florida summertime heat. And back here you've got some L-shaped seating. Do a little bit of entertaining back here. You're going to have a lot of features on this boat that you would usually see on much larger boats. For one, you have a freshwater sink right there, wash your hands, do whatever you need to do. And also, panning over here, you have a pretty big head down below too. So you got a sink, you got a head. That's stuff that you usually wouldn't see on a boat under 25 feet. Over here at the helm, you see that we're already equipped with our gauges and a GPS map by Garmin right here, so you could see where you're going, maybe plot a course and see your track line so you know how to get home. Up here on the bow, we've got some more seating, and of course, right here, we've got a nice little deck area. I'm going to call that the cannonball deck, because that's exactly what I'm going to be doing at the sandbar. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. If you're looking to take advantage of a really nice piece of used inventory, this is the boat for you. Until next time, I'm signing out.